Hey there, you guys. Today I want to try something a little bit different. We're going to be making buffalo wings, but we're not going to be frying them, and we're not going to be baking them. We're going to be smoking them on the grill. I'm also not going to talk while I make the wings. You're just going to watch me do them. The ingredients will appear on the screen, and they'll be listed in the description down below. So, let's get going. Alright, you have made it to the end of the video, so as always, if you enjoyed this, like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and keep an eye out. We make new videos every single week. Thank you for watching.